Good morning everybody. Good morning. Oh, my hair, goodness gracious, I need a brush. Let me brush my hair real quick, y'all. But good morning everybody. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Y'all know what Wednesday means. Today is Wednesday. That means that Aldi might have candles, even though I think today might be like a skip. Today might be a skip week for me because I don't think they have any candles this week. So it might be a skip week, but I'm gonna go in here and see, because as y'all do know, Aldi has been marking a lot of their candles down, like candles that's just been kind of sitting. They've been marking down. But before I get started, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, following your girl on Instagram, and using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Y'all, so as y'all do know, today is Wednesday. Let's go on Aldi and see exactly what they have. I don't think they have any candles today, so we're just gonna go around and see what they have, look real quick, and that's gonna be it, y'all. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I have my mask, I have my purse, I have the camera is charged. So let's get this video going. Hopefully they have those comic book candles. I don't even know the name of those, but fingers crossed that they have those. I have not seen those in my store yet, so we should see if they gonna have those yet. I don't know what's going on with shipping with Aldi. I know a lot of stuff is delayed, but yeah, let's go in here and see what we could find. As y'all do see, Aldi. Let's go in here and see what we can find, y'all. Okay, let's see what we could find. They still have these candles from last week. I actually thought that that was that mascara that I've been looking for, but it's not. Super surprised to find these candles at this discounted price. That $4.49 price is a markdown price, and then they reduced it from that price. So $2.24 is not a bad price for these candles. Not a bad price at all. So if you see them, grab them. Also, these other Christmas candles is on sale for $1.74. I think these originally were like $5. So $1.74 is not bad at all. If you find these candles, I highly recommend you grab them, because they're gone. Once they're gone, they're gone. And then these $4.29, I think that's the gardenia candle, as well as the lemon candle. And as y'all see, the candle that came out with that white peach collection, they have tons. So I feel like in 2 weeks, those are going to be marked down as well. The elliptical machine, I'm just filming this just because I'm going to keep an eye on that. If it goes to like 100 and something, I might grab it. This popcorn, if you don't grab anything this week, make sure you grab some of this popcorn. It's super, super, super yummy. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all. This week at Aldi is a pass. You do not have to go to Aldi's unless you want some of this yummy popcorn. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all know. I used to always get this popcorn from Sam's or either my local grocery store, which is Dilberg's. And this popcorn costs like $3 or $4. I think it was like $2.88. This Creator's popcorn. If you like Chicago popcorn at Garrison, I think that's the name of it. If you like that popcorn, this is a dupe for that popcorn. This popcorn is amazing. It is so good. So if your Aldi has this popcorn this week, I highly recommend it. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying, this popcorn is good, and I highly recommend you get a couple of bags. It's so good. It is so good. But I did grab one because I know your girl be hooked on this popcorn. But you can buy the huge bags at Sam's. I forgot how much it costs. But if you just want to try it, if your store have this popcorn, I highly recommend it. I know I'm repeating myself. But this week at Aldi is most definitely a pass unless you're looking for clearance candles. If you're looking for clearance candles, yes, go in to see if they actually have some of the candles, because my store did. I'm just saying, I'm just watching my surroundings. That's all I'm doing. I'm sorry, y'all. But yes, my store did have these candles. And y'all, the last video I showed a lot of these candles in Cape. They were on clearance, but my store have them cheaper. I finally decided to grab the another cocktail candle, which is the eggnog. This one I originally passed on, but this was $1.50. $1.50. I said yes, yes, yes. I will now buy it. So yes, this was $1.50. This ceramic candle, this one rung up. This is a Christmas candle. I love this jar. Oh my goodness, this jar is so nice. It is a 2-wick candle. And just FYI, the cocktail candle is a single wick candle, but for $1.50, yes, yes, yes. I wish they had the other ones. The other store might have them, but I'm not sure if they're gonna be $1.50. But if you could find all 3 of the different scents, I would highly recommend these candles. So yeah, I have not burned it, but for $1.50, get a 6-ounce candle. I think this is a 6-ounce candle for $1.50 is not a bad price, especially just to try it, put it on the warmer. You can't go wrong. Like I said, this is a 2-wick candle and it was $1.50. And let's see. Ceramic candle, $1.79. This one was $1.79. But I think the tag says something different, but it rung up $1.79. These huge candles, these huge ceramic candles rung up $2.24. I don't know if this one rang up $2.24 or this one rang up $2.24, because they're both listed as ceramic. So either $2.24 or $1.74 for one of these candles. But these candles was way late, way after Christmas. So when they put them out, they should have instantly marked them to, you know, they should have instantly marked them down. But now $1 or $2, yes, 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 I most definitely would try it. And this is a 3-wick candle, and this one is in orange clove. 3-wick candle. So yeah, I decided to grab that. So the next items I got is, I decided to grab 2 of these wax melts because I actually really like this scent. I think this is the first time this has came out in a wax form. I think I got a couple of the candles in this scent. Amazing. If you love that Capri Blue Volcano, this smells very similar to that candle. Now, is it the? Yeah, I think this is the one that smells very similar to the Volcano candle. Also, it smells very similar to Sunwash Citrus from Bath and Body Works. Also, the Midnight Citrus is very similar. So if you like scents like that, you will love this. Even though it says it's a sugar petals, it's not. This is very much a citrus scent. Got that. I decided to grab some of these single wick candles because these are the 2 that I have not grabbed. So I decided to go ahead and grab these 2. I should have waited because they have so many. I got a feeling these are going to be marked down soon. So I probably should have waited on that. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So again, this could be a past week at Aldi. Next week is gonna be a week that we all been waiting on. I'm just saying. Next week is the week to run for. You can pass this week. This week ain't given. This week is not given. But next week, they are gonna release some more luxury candles. The number candles or the Joe Malone dupes. Yes, yes, yes. They are coming out with some more. Black tea and grapefruit. The next one is going to be vanilla, and then we're going to have a coconut and golden Bailey. We're gonna have a white sage and sea salt and a blue guava and cacao. I think that's how you pronounce that, cacao. Yeah. So we are gonna get more numbered candles, number 5 and number 6, number 7 and number 8, and you know your girl is here for that. $5. Y'all already know, $5, and I think these are 2 wick candles. Also, next week we're gonna have another luxury candle. It's gonna come in a little box, almost like how these came in a box. The other ones is gonna come in a box. It's gonna be 4 of those candles. Is it 4 or is it 3? I think it's gonna be, yeah, 4 candles gonna come in that one. That one is gonna be $6. And also they're gonna come out with some coffee candles. This peach bourbon, yes, need that. Even though they classify this collection as a coffee collection, nah. Peach bourbon, vanilla bourbon, and then pecan spice latte, and then a vanilla cream frappe. Most definitely gonna grab the peach bourbon as well as the vanilla bourbon. The other ones is a pass for me probably. So next week is most definitely gonna be a big candle week for Aldi. That's probably 12 candles next week. So if you are looking for candles, like some of the clearance candles, then yes, go ahead and grab some of those. But I'm just saying, next week is the week. Next week is the week to get your candles. Yes, next week, I'm gonna keep saying it. Next week is the week. This week could be a pass week, but only thing go to Aldi for is this popcorn. Grab you some popcorn. So yes, that's the only thing that and I'm not sure if they've been having this popcorn in the store. I don't know, but today I think I seen it when I was in Cape and just kind of looked over it, but today I decided to grab a bag. So yeah, so yes, that's all I got for this week, y'all. Like I said, I didn't really buy much. I think I spent like $15. Yes, $15.65. That's gonna be it. Leave in the comments, let me know, is this a pass week for you, or are you gonna buy anything? Leave that in the comments. All right, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.